Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07 from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the left side we have a button Forget with this trash icon. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds but leave it at the device list and then reconnect it in the future, you need to select Disconnect. But let's remove it, so Forget and Forget device. Now we can put these earbuds to the charging case and close the case. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!